Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook melon soup with tomatoes. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of ripe melon, either cantaloupe or honeydew, and 4 to 5 medium-sized, juicy tomatoes. Don't forget 1 small red onion, a single clove of garlic, and a handful of fresh basil. We'll also use a splash of olive oil, some vegetable broth, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Now, let's get our produce ready for cooking. Start by peeling and deseeding your melon, then cut it into uniform 2-centimeter cubes. Next, core and roughly chop your tomatoes. Finely dice the small red onion and mince that single clove of garlic. Finally, give your fresh basil leaves a rough chop. This preparation ensures everything cooks evenly and releases its full flavor into our delicious soup. It's time to build the soup's base. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté the diced red onion and minced garlic until they're fragrant and softened, which takes about 3 minutes. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes, allowing them to soften. Stir in the melon cubes and 250 milliliters of vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the melon is tender. For the final step, carefully transfer your cooked soup to a blender and process until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. If you have an immersion blender, you can blend it directly in the pot, saving on dishes. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. Serve your refreshing melon and tomato soup chilled or warm, garnished with fresh basil leaves and a delicate drizzle of olive oil. Enjoy this unique and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.